Welcome to spacesbox.com, michaelgouldy.com, and spacesbox.com, and YouTube Space Acer.
Testing. Okay, we got the VR. Gonna go here and turn it on in a second and see if I'll get the placer wiper on a 2006 PRius and see if we can change the wiper on it. Okay, turning VR on. Because this is a tech blog. VR is on. I'm on a PRius, looks like a 2006 or 2008. Wonder whose car it is. I don't know. But we'll see if we can fix this black wiper. It looks like it's broken, you see? So what we're going to have to do is grab on both sides of the black thing, on the back rear one, till it pops up, and pull it back, and it pops off. Then pull this up, push this up, then out, and it comes out. See? You got it out. You want instructions for this? We got Exact Fit Trico blade at on Amazon for $15. It's, you pop off the bottom thing, you take it off of A, you put it back to D, and you clamp it back down. So let's hope this blade works. So ouch. There it goes. Pretty easy and nice fit. Get this back. You see how it has a little ledge? You push it back in. It makes a snap. And that's how this VR session's finishing on how to install a rear wiper blade on 2008 Toyota PRius. And this is the old one. All right. Well, we're going to end the VR session. And we're back in our room with our light on. Well, this is kind of a boring room to do a VR session in, but you have the cameras all set up. It works great for that real VR called Reallife.
Hey, if you like this video, please click subscribe. Like it or not like it,